None of us are above temptation. That's why the great prayer says, lead us around temptation. Hopefully deliver us from the evil. Tempted to cross the line.
This is the money mindset that I created, and it's how you should view money, because it's a very complex idea to talk about. And I was gonna record videos all tomorrow, but I just thought of it now on the walk, and I don't want to forget it. I know the quality is shit, barely can see me, but honestly I don't care. It's my words that I'm about to say that's very important, so please listen up. I always thought that money would make me free, and it was this mindset that has been pushed on, and I've believed from other people who told me that. But doing my own thinking and having also other ideas, mixing them together, I realized that that's not the case. And the reason for that is because I now truly believe that the answer is within you. We all believe in some higher power, right? And I really think you should believe how there is a piece of God in you. There's a piece of God in me, you, and everyone. And even the tiniest piece of power branched on to all 8 billion people in this world, that little piece of power is very significant to us humans. And the answer is within us all. Technically, I am free. I used to believe I'm not, but I am. I might feel attached to my school, my job, the people I hang around with, but no. The idea is I can honestly do whatever I want, because I've consciously have the idea that me dropping out of school with no source of income is not the smartest idea, but I could do it. I could drop my whole life right now and leave. That's me being free. Me having the ability to have any thought I want, that's me being free. The answer is within us all. So then I thought, well, if money isn't the key to freedom, what is it? What is money? So I started to realize how money is actually a tool. A tool for what? If it's not a tool for freedom, it's not a tool for enjoyment, what is it? Which I've also learned today, that learning a certain topic or subject, creating analogies, really make you understand truly what you're talking about. So I thought about it and I said, well, money is like a sculpture. Why do artists make art? Why do they have sculptures? Well, the reason is, one, they enjoy the process of doing the actual art. The art of making art. You should enjoy the art, the process of making money. Why else do they do it? Well, then they later on like the final outcome of it. So with you making money with however it is, there's some type of business, there's some type of system that's built around you making money. That's kind of like the final product. The final product is basically when you sell it or when you die or whatever it is, there's some type of idea of there's a final product that you're striving to go. And the third thing was they do it for display. They make art and they put it on display. And that's what a lot of people do now. Obviously, with money, they buy all the cars, the girls, the houses, the watches, all of it. But the idea is that the artists are well known that they're not carrying that sculpture, that piece of art, when they die. So why do they do it? You should answer that question on your own, because I think it's personal. Every artist does art for a different reason. But answering that simple question of why do you do it? And it shouldn't be because it makes me live a certain way. It makes me look a certain way or makes me feel a certain way, because the idea of artists making a sculpture is not because the act of making the sculpture makes them feel a certain way. No. The act of making a sculpture is the representation of how they feel. They feel already a certain way, and they like to display it through the sculpture. So you should feel a certain way and display it through the systems, the art of making money, the art of creating a business. So I really, really understood that, no, I am free. I have everything I want. I've been dealt certain cards, and I just like to play them the best of my abilities. But I have everything that I ever desired in my mind. The answer is within you. It might sound some like cliche shit, but trust me, if you actually think logically deeper, think about what you want. Think about what you truly want. Because you can't just say, I want a car. There's a reason you want that car. That's the true reason. That's the true meaning of what you want. The car is not it. The car represents a deeper meaning of a true desire. Is it to feel important? But at the end of the day, it's a deeper desire than materialistic things. But that true desire could be satisfied by your own brain. That you only rely on outside sources to help your own brain make you feel like that. But you could feel like that without the outside source. It's not the outside materialistic things that make you feel like it. It's your brain. You just try to make it help your brain feel like that. It's like drugs. You want to feel more relaxed. You can feel relaxed by yourself, but people take drugs to make them feel relaxed. You don't need the drug. You can feel relaxed on your own. Just taking the drug is easier, right? So people, they believe that making money to make them feel better is easier, which it is, because truly satisfying yourself, figuring out yourself, is way harder. And people are scared of that. People are unaware of that. So that's why they rely on making money and buying cool things to make them feel better. But it's funny how not too long ago, I was striving for money for freedom. But I am free. I am truly free. And now, as of now, starting now, I will live life differently because of just this mindset. And I really hope this helped you as well. And think about it. Don't just watch this video as some regular YouTube video and just, scroll on to the next like some dopamine hit. It's not supposed to be dopamine. I'm not doing some crazy edits anymore. I'm not doing some flashy things to get your hook and attention. If you're watching this right now, it's because you should take it seriously. Take my words seriously. And think deeper. Social media now is such a powerful tool if you use it properly. It's a double-edged sword. You can destroy yourself on social media, or you can find fucking golden nuggets where other people's knowledge, and I'm not saying I have crazy knowledge, but other people's knowledge can transfer across the world in a matter of seconds. I just finished watching the live stream of Alex Hormozi. That guy's worth hundreds of millions of dollars. For me to even hear a single word from him, I would have to go pay $1,000 seminar, go across the world to travel, to sit down for 1 hour. Now I can do it with a click of a button in my bed and get the same knowledge. Use it to your advantage. Take my words seriously. I'm not here to fucking give you bullshit. I'm here to give you what I know. I'm here to show you what I learned, what I believe in, with my opinions. And hopefully, instead of just adopting what I say, it helps you initiate your own thought process and creates your own ideas and opinions. I'm not here to fucking brainwash you into what I believe in. No. It's to give you ideas, keys, little pieces that you might be missing to establish one of your own beautiful ideas. Remember that.